Packaged foods, dairy, and meat products are essential to modern food processing, delivering safe, nutritious, and high-quality products to consumers while meeting growing demand for convenience and freshness. From dairy products, ready-to-eat meals, frozen foods, processed meat, bakery products, and packaged snacks to value-added food products, manufacturers must ensure consistent quality, strict food safety, regulatory compliance, and complete traceability throughout the production process. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of packaged food, dairy, and meat processing while improving productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From recipe and formulation management, raw material procurement, and production planning to batch processing, quality assurance, inventory management, packaging, cold storage, warehousing, and distribution, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced batch production planning enables